Gavota is a chair which facilitates lives of people living with reduced mobility. It was designed especially for the use in rest homes, nursing homes, daycare centres or hospitals. It can also be great help in your home if you take care of your relatives. Moreover, thanks to its precise manufacturing and quality of materials, it perfectly matches with your house interior. The chair offers several safety elements. Let us start with resistant wheels with brakes, thanks to which the chair can be perfectly controlled even in confined spaces. Have a look at the 5th directional wheel, facilitating the ride with the loaded chair in a straight direction. There is an extension footrest with anti-slip surface supporting the legs of the person being transferred. It also facilitates getting on and off and provides a natural prevention against spontaneous movement of the chair. Above the front wheels and on the handle sides there are plastic wheels protecting the interior from damage. The system of minimum gaps will ensure that the user does not hurt their fingers. Advantages of the Gavota chair also include height adjustable armrests, which offer 5 height adjustable positions. They facilitate handling of patients when moving them to the bed or to another seat. The chair is adjustable with a manual control in 2 motor versions. The version with the manual control enables adjusting the chair for a sitting position by side levers and a person providing care by using a handle. Motor versions are adjusted by the supplied controller. With the 1 motor version, the backrest can be tilted and the footrest ejected at the same time. The 2 motor version enables adjustable backrest and footrest separately. Many of you will surely appreciate the possibility of buying a charging battery which withstands 200 positioning cycles. Other advantages include a hygienic gap between the seat and the backrest, which protects the backrest from capturing impurities. Under the seat upholstery, impermeable material is placed. Back part of the backrest offers a spacious pocket ideal for the patient's personal belongings or aids of the staff. Taller people appreciate the Plus version of Gavota, which has a seat that is 40mm higher. You can equip the Gavota chair with practical accessories, for example, detachable dining board, round handle to aid getting up and the improvement of motor functions, crutch holder on the chair with wheels, between calf wedge and many other accessories. Coated materials and foams meet the world standards of hygiene and non-flammability.